Yeah, so I've dropped the drone off at DJI Repairs down in Fremantle, and I'm just not sure how that's going to go, but positive thinking, fingers and toes all crossed. Hopefully they can fix it, because after talking to the drone mechanic, there's a lot of damage to that drone that I've crashed. So I'll find out on Monday, so we'll go from there. Today being Saturday, so I went and bought a brand new drone anyway, and here she is. This is going to be her first maiden voyage, so wish me well, because she's about to go in the air. Brand new, ready to go, up and away. If you have a close look in that video, spiraling coming down, and then I accidentally flew it straight in between power lines. So the sensors in these drones don't pick up real fine power lines. I just found that out and nearly crashed it on its maiden flight. Have a look there, those power lines. There's an upper and lower power line. Rewind that footage and have a look at it. It went straight between them. Well, that was a success. Drone action is coming at you big time. Now I've got the drone back, and hopefully I have drone 2 going Monday. Fingers crossed. But I hope that didn't make you too dizzy, because I don't know if I've done anything quite like that before. I don't even know what possessed me to do it then, but I just tried it and it worked. So anyway, we're back in the sky. How you going, Marks?
I'm good. I'm busy.
All good and busy. That's all right. She looks like a professor with them glasses on. Maverick's back at it.